Guys, I'm going to take it from the middle of Woodward here. You know, silver may be the most popular color, but brighter colors are really starting to shine through. You see more blues and greens in movies and on MTV, and it's thanks to a local company that's getting national exposure. Take a look. The souped-up cars of the hit film The Fast and the Furious, MTV's Pit My Ride, and these NASCAR vehicles have in common. Would you believe its shiny exterior? Tucked away in Commerce Township, Matrix Systems Automotive Finishes mix up to 1 million gallons of automotive paint, but recently got big publicity.
Louise hooked you up with the ice-cold Matrix paint job, with the ice things breaking off on the side.
Yeah, that's cold, man. That's cold.
3 months ago, the hit television show Pit My Ride, which reconditions junker cars into sleek luxury cars, tapped Matrix as the primary paint supplier.
They were looking for an innovative company that could supply them just cutting-edge paint technology, graphics, special effects, and they saw our line, and they were just blown away by it.
Not bad for a company that started out 15 years ago with 8 employees, growing to 115 employees. Matrix estimates 2 to 3 million cars on the road each year are sporting Matrix paint, not just those on the big screen. And you know, there are some awesome classic cars down here on Woodward, and they're just getting better and better every time another car comes around. Take a look at these cars that you see around me, and we've got some more fabulous cars that are coming up. And you know, Stephen and Diana, this is my first time doing the Dream Cruise, and I didn't think anything could beat the Super Bowl in terms of craziness, but I think we've got this one beat. Over to you guys.
Back in 1983, I owned a production body shop in Michigan, and we started looking for products that we could purchase for less money than the current products we were getting at that point. And we started finding some products, and 5 years later, I sold the body shop business and got into paint products full time. From then till now, we've gone through a phase where we started into clear coats and primers and paint hardeners up until 2000 when we introduced our AccuShade Intermix full color system. Today that system has grown to over 70,000 formulas, everywhere from 2006 import and domestics all the way back to 1925 Ford colors. We've also introduced a line which we call our FX product line, which is mixed right off one intermix system, which gives you the capability of all the most popular custom colors from people like House of Color, DuPont, PPG, all the big names in the business, typically at savings of 20 to 50%. Our growth rate has been spectacular. Starting in 1983 with basically 2 people, we've grown into a company which has over 100 people, 250 distributors all across the United States, over 1,000 intermix systems out in paint stores and body shops from California to New York. Our growth rate is just exploding year after year because we give our customers what they really need. Our motto at Matrix is put it to the test. When we first came out with our color system 6 years ago, very few people believed that we could actually do what we're doing. Well, today we've proven that. Our motto being unbelievable color match, unbelievable price, and if it's unbelievable, the only way you're going to believe it is to put it to the test yourself today and just see what I mean.
A Fox 2 problem solver success story is making its public debut at the Autorama. Generous viewers turned a botched paint job for a classic car into a work of art. Fox 2's Bill Gallagher explained.
It glistens, painted to perfection, a '69 Pontiac GTO. John Wolcott bought the car for his wife 4 years ago and has been working to return it to mint condition. But the $4,500 paint job John paid for was seriously flawed with uneven paint dispersion, what are called fish eyes. The painter ducked John and his complaints.
We got a hold of Bill Gallagher. We had some problems with the paint job that we had done on the car, and my wife emailed the problem solvers and explained the story.
We heard the story in John's plight and having to shell out another $3,200 to fix the botched job. The story grabbed Dan Kaminsky from 3D Custom Paint Supplies in Belleville.
I seen the story and just something about it struck me, and I was just like, I want to get involved. So I called Fox 2 and they got back to me within an hour. And then it snowballed into a really good project of bringing the local high school, Belleville High School, all the students and staff. Thanks a lot, guys.
It was a collective effort. Several local paint shops helped, and Matrix Automotive Systems donated the paint and clear coat.
We heard the story from our salesperson in the field. He came in. It sounded like a feel-good story. You want to help the local guy get his car here and, you know, look around you, and you can see what's become of this, and it's just a great opportunity for us to help somebody out.
A Pontiac painted for paradise.
Problem solved.
Problem solvers rule. They did the deal.
In Detroit, Bill Gallagher, Fox 2.